how to fix Roblox error code 277. Here's what you have to do. I'm going to show you two different methods. Open up your computer search and search for CMD. Command prompt, right click, run as admin. Click on yes. Now you will need to type two commands here. The first command is going to be netsh space winsock reset, like this, and you want to press enter. Afterwards, the second command is going to be ipconfig space /flushdns, and again you will press enter. After you have done this, you can close the command prompt. Now the second thing that you have to do is open up your computer search again, find Roblox player, right click, open file location, and again you will right click on the Roblox player, show more options, properties, and you want to go into the compatibility tab and check these three options. Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an admin. As a bonus tip, what I can tell you is to check your internet connections. So if you're using Wi-Fi, maybe try connecting to with an Ethernet cable. That is going to be cable internet. And if you're using cable internet, try connecting to a different network or a Wi-Fi network. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.